Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. So I'm done with the Piper Cub wing. The only thing I don't like about this covering, its new cover from Value Hobbies, is that it has a tendency to show white. You know, once you stretch it out, the little white comes out from the backing of the monocoat. And I didn't have it done, well, it came off on that side, but that side's gonna be covered by numbers. And I'm gonna cover this in NCU 1. I'm sorry, Charlie Uniform November-1, which was the first Cuban Piper Cub ever, General Aviation Piper Cub ever to be registered in Cuba. So I'll dress it up that way. And but yeah, it came out really nice. I just have to clean up some little stains here, as you can see. But so you can actually tell the monocoat Piper Cub yellow with the new core Piper Cub yellow. You can tell the difference in colors, but it still gives a good effect. I really like it. I think it came out pretty good. So still can see the old red on there, but what am I gonna do, right? Can't really. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below. Till then, I'm gonna be doing some more focusing on getting the engine mounted on the Piper Cub and such. So now that I'm done with all that, I just gotta push this here. I am going to paint this black here and put the two little sticks for the tensioners for the wing root. Also, I'm build a little compass for this area, just to kind of set it up there. I'm gonna start setting up the radio controls inside and setting up the block for the electric model, for the electric motor, sorry. Also, I gotta paint this. This is red from the original plane. I'll get this off and I'll paint it yellow. I got Cub yellow there somewhere. I can put some yellow on it. So yeah, shout out to Jeff. Here's the Cub as it is right now, and I'll talk to him about getting a cowling from him, and we'll see how it goes from there. Looking forward to it. Also, I'll be putting on these were the CUN1. This was from my other Piper Cub, which I'll still build. I'll still build another Piper Cub. This is from her kit. I still have the plans for it, so I just have to get it all set up. So, all right, guys, that's enough for today. I'll talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.